Hey you guys, I am currently getting ready and I'm gonna do my hair. It's so dirty, I'm gonna have to wash it tonight. I've gone a few days without it, so it's time to wash. So because it's time to wash, today's curling day, and so I just wanted to show y'all how I curl my hair with a straightener. I'm not necessarily gonna curl it, I'm gonna give it like a wave with a straightener. So stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna be using my GHD straightener. I have all my other stuff, shit, it's kind of wet. We don't want to electrocute ourselves. I am going to go in with this Deep Clean Dry Shampoo by Redken. And I'm legit just gonna spray my root. As y'all can see, it's super white. That goes away. You just have to brush it into your scalp. And it smells amazing. Me using the brush on the blow dryer. My gaspa has kind of simmered down a little. All right, as y'all can see, now all you see is the gray. All that bad stuff is going on. So I'm gonna spray my hair with a little bit of this 7 seconds just to kind of dampen it up a little bit. It's the Unite 7 seconds. And then at my root, I'm going to spray the Booster Volumizing. This is when y'all see me use a shitload of product because it's fixing to be wash time. So I'm just gonna go in and blow dry my root and my ends just to kind of smooth it out a little bit. You guys will see how great this Booster stuff is. Like if people suffer from any of the lamp unvolumized hair, let's shoot it with a little bit of cold heat. Yeah, see that? How that just hits it all up. You'll be able to see it a little bit more in the front once I get there. Just laying it to the side so that it can kind of cool. And the only reason I'm doing this, I'm not trying to straighten it out, I'm just trying to smooth it out so that I don't have to work too much with my straightener. Can't be showing that. Not today, Satan. All right, so I just kind of put some volumizing spray, some smoothing into this bottom. Now we're gonna get into the curling. I'm scared to plug it in. Pray for me that it won't. Yes. No electrocutions here. Meanwhile, I just did my makeup, so I'm gonna set it with, I guess I'll show you. The Morphe Jeffree Star spray is awesome. And it smells like strawberries. All right, so I like to part my hair with a clip, obviously, because I like to do this in sections. Whenever I'm doing this, I like to smooth out the root because I don't ever want to do any kind of curling at the root. And then I'm going to just kind of wave the middle, straighten the ends. Can y'all see that? Straighten the root and then curl the middle, straighten the end, just like that. Same here. I'm going to straighten the root, curl the middle, straighten the end. I'm gonna go as far back. Typically when I do my hair, I don't care about what the back looks like, but I'm sure you guys do. Because I know when I see the back of someone's hair, I'm like, She forgot that part. Same thing here. I forgot to bring my, so there's this spray that I really like. It's called Redken 11. All right, you use that spray. You spray it before you actually apply heat. It's gonna sizzle, but it protects your hair, makes it feel soft, and it looks and smells so good. So I'm gonna go in at the root, and then I'm gonna curl kind of down like this, and then I'm gonna straighten the end. Okay, the first one, which are the ones in your face, I like for the curl to be a little more defined. So after this one, I will start straightening the root, kind of going in, okay? See how that gave me a wave? And then going out. See how that gave me a wave? Can y'all see that? And then straightening. Not too curled, okay? Same thing goes for the root here. I'm gonna get a smaller section because this is where my extensions are and they're so blunt, so I don't want them to curl together. Come down, find the groove, curl up, and then straighten. It just makes for like a cute little unsynchronized curl or wave, whatever you want to call it. Go down, it's pretty long right here, so I'll do one more, and then I'll do one more, and then I'll straighten the ends. Can y'all see that? I know it's super hard for you to see because there's like nothing against it as far as the background goes. I'm going to straighten the root, and then I'm going to go in about maybe 1.5 inches in, and I'm going to curl. Notice how my wrist does all the curling, okay? Then you'll see where that kind of has the groove. You apply the opposite way, curling up, and then come down just like that and straighten the ends out just to give it a funky, do you see that? Not so curled wave. All right, same thing in the back. Straighten the root, curl in, pull out, curl out, straighten out. I hope that's making sense. All right, next I'm gonna do, remember the front, I like to actually make it look curled and then it just kind of fits in with everything else. So I'm gonna go in, notice how my arm looks, because if you do this, it's gonna create something way different. That's why you always end up with one curl going this way and then the other one going perfectly, like two out, and then the other one kind of falling too well. It's because of how you curl. You have to remember you have to curl in the same way each time. I'll show y'all when I get to the other side. If y'all noticed, my arm was like this, cord behind my elbow for this side. All right, I'll show y'all in just a second the other side. And if it helps you remember to put the cord, then you do what you do, you boo boo. Just like that. Can you let me get a moment of silence? Okay. Being a little too crazy like that one, I always like to get a piece that's not, and then just kind of straighten it together and merge it together, just like that. Once I put texture spray and stuff, like all of that's gonna look super funky, which I love. All right, on to the next side. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna part just like that. You'll see how curled that looks? That's from where I round brushed it. Okay, and I'm just gonna kind of find a piece that I've already curled, just so that I know I'm not missing any spots. All right, y'all see how I'm putting the cord and the straighteners going in this way? Going in and then going out and then straightening, okay? Because if y'all do this out in front of you, it's gonna already wave from the top, okay? Do y'all see that? So that's gonna create something completely different. which you could alternate it, but when it gets to the top, it gets to the longer pieces, it will definitely be different. The area is so short that it just really doesn't matter. The top ends up being heavy enough to weigh it down. And this can be done with long hair too. So I'm really enjoying my short hair right now, but it's also getting very, very boring. Hopefully I can show you all the cool little tricks as far as short hairstyles. Straightening out the root. Okay, this is the one I'm gonna curl, remember, because I like to curl the front pieces just to make it more uniform. And then I'm gonna straighten the end, just like that. Do you see how it looks more curled? Now the next piece will be arm behind, going in, going out, just like that. Do y'all see how that's two different things? Wave, curl, wave, curl. On to the next. Okay, next I'll part my hair here. And then I will do the same thing. I will curl the front, which is gonna just be this right here, cord behind my arm, and I don't curl the ends. Watch as I leave all that right there. Can you see? Straighten. I'll do one more small piece just because that's gonna fall right into the other curl. Curl the middle, pull on it, straighten the end. Because if you pull on it, guys, it's still hot, so it's still gonna loosen up if you pull on it. I just like to look for where it doesn't look like I did anything, and then I'll start that piece over, go in. This piece is a little shorter, as y'all can see. So I'm just doing one wave and then straightening the ends. Just like that. Sorry if I'm looking at the camera above you, because there's one up here, so it's hard to look here. I'm trying to make sure that I'm showing you guys exactly what I do when I do this look. Okay, cord in the back, remember? The cord can come to the front, but this piece is curled, remember? Curl, straighten the ends. Straighten the ends, and I am done. Wait, I mean, like, this side's done because it's already cool to the touch, not hot. If I touch this side, it's still warm, so you always want to wait so that this cools, and then when it cools, that means the wave's just gonna stay. So if you guys ever think about, like, when you curl your hair and then you're like, oh, by the end of the day, well, think about this. If you were messing with it, like if you did the curl, right? And then you messed with it, well, you loosened it while it was cooling. So then guess what? It's gonna loosen, and so throughout the day, it's gonna be gone. So, rule number one, if you want your curls to super stay, even though it looks like bucles, I don't know how else you call it, leave them alone. Just leave them alone, let them cool, and then go back in once your hair feels cool to the touch, and let those curls go. You gotta let them go, for sure. I'm gonna get my texturizing stuff, and I will be ready to go. So Bombshell sent me this stuff, and I have really liked it. It's Virtue Labs is what it's called. It's so amazing, it smells so good. This is the texturizing spray. So I'm gonna go in with the side that I curled first, just because the side's still kind of cooling. So, see, and I have one piece, look. Do y'all see that? That's how you kind of investigate the hair. I think I just didn't do it, to be honest, because it's not curled, this whole top layer. Oopsie. And I always like to pick the hair up. Spray it from the bottom, okay? just like that. You guys will see this immediately, okay? Look at what just happened. Look at that. Look at this side. It's amazing. This texturizing stuff is no joke, and I know a lot of you don't know how to use it, so here I am teaching you how to use it with my little snowflakes. All right, I'm just waiting for this little piece that I just finished up there. But look at how, can y'all see? Let me see if I can go against the wall. Look at that. It looks so good. I love it. All right, now I'm gonna go into the other side and do the same thing. Spray from underneath. Saquen los pelos. And then just kind of, as you're spraying, kind of scrunch it. Y'all see this? I promise it looks better in person. The lighting kind of sucks in here, by the way, which is why I didn't do a makeup tutorial. But guys, isn't this amazing? Just kind of make it go into that hair, scrunching it. Just like that. And then go back in with some hairspray, which this is also by, my favorite's the Go 365 by Unite, by the way. I just didn't have any travel sizes, so I didn't want to have to bring any of that. I'm just gonna go in, kind of pick it up, spray underneath. And then when I do my hair like this, guys, it's untouchable. Don't try and touch it no more, because it feels gross and I just don't like it, which is why I like to do stuff like this when it's almost wash time, because I know it's not gonna be this hard and crusty for a few more days. Here you go, guys. It's done. Love it. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this hair tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Let me know how you like this video, and let me know if any ideas of what you want. I am working so hard to create content for you so that you have something every other day, so bear with me. Thank you so much again for watching, and stay tuned.